Having smart equipment in your home saves a lot on energy and water utility bills. To help you search the best hot water recirculating pump, we have carried out detailed research and testing on several popular recirculating pumps. There are many products available to choose from best hot water recirculating pump, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best hot water recirculating pump from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bakawaks Water Recirculating Pump. This model by Bakawaks pump is efficient and suitable for various areas such as houses and other industrial needs for ethanol and hot water maximum ratio of 1:1. Its construction is made up of durable materials to be noted, such as cast iron pump housing, corrosion-resistant impeller, carbon axial bearing, and so on. Other notable features that got us to test this product include anti-fraying, high temperature resistance, silent operation, maintenance-free, low consumption, and super convenient installation. We did it and satisfactorily found it to be easy. It consumed almost 1 hour to complete the installation. The notable pump settings include 3 controls with a single-phase pipeline. Also, it can be used for a hot water boiler. Even if we settle the pump at low speed, it still moves too fast within the pipeline. This is what efficiency is known as. All the things including impeller are quite functional in all aspects. Make sure not to install the pump in a portable water system and other drinking water pipelines. Number 2. Cliffflow Hot Water Recirculating Pump. Consider this model by Cliffflow with stainless steel housing and other amazing properties. Almost 4 color variants are available with the hot water pump. At the same time, it is multifunctional and ideal for different areas, such as ground heating system, normal heating system, solar water heater, and industrial equipment cooling. Instead of waiting for 2 to 3 minutes, it just takes only 15 seconds now to deliver the hot water in every faucet, shower, or master bathroom. The pump is quite powerful with ratings of various watts. For corrosion resistance, an extra layer of aluminum is also provided. Whether you want to use the pump in suburban villas, houses, city buildings, and other pressurized industrial equipment, you can use it worry-free. As per the specifications, we check the compatibility of the pump. A hot water pump is indeed ideal for medium aspect in hot water and ethanol maximum ratio of 1:1. The power-efficient voltage with quiet operation lets you try the product once in your lifetime. You will not experience any kind of noise and leakage with this hot water pump. Number 3. Watts Premier Water Recirculating Pump. Famous model by Watts Premier. The product comes with quite automated features such as in-wheel timers and a competitive price tag. As we know that the main working mechanism is based on the sensor valve, and this pump provides the best of all. Simply connect this pump to your main water heater line, and expect hot water in every shower or faucet. With the pump, you can save almost 15,000 gallons of water in a year, which can fill up so many water bottles. At the same time, you won't have to wait even 4 to 5 minutes for hot water to come out of the faucet. The pump ensures timely and fast delivery with an in-wheel 24-hour programmable timer. Keeping in mind a large number of positive reviews, it's the first best hot water recirculating pump we have taken for expert testing. At first, our experts are quite impressed with the compact structure of the pump. It comes with everything you need for installation, such as 2 adapters with rubber washers, 10 feet electric cord, a sensor valve, valve mounting screws, and 2 12-inch supply lines. The installation will consume less than 1 hour even if you're a newbie. Number 4. Bakawaks 110-volt booster pump. Another great hot water recirculating pump that deserves a spot in this list is the Buckwax RS59G. This pump is suitable for a variety of applications including city buildings, houses, suburban villas, air conditioning, boilers, solar circulating water, and many more. There are plenty of features that the manufacturer claims and customers have pointed them out as well. The pump is extremely low on noise and fully leak-proof, making it suitable for use in homes. This motor is fully environmental protected with IP44 insulation Class F, and the product has a simple installation setup that you can easily fit by following the supplied instructions. The package includes everything required to self-install the pump in your home or any suitable application. The pump okay for hot water and ethanol with a maximum ratio of 1:1. It works at a maximum pressure of 145 psi, and operates within a temperature range of -10 to +110 F. Number 5. Watts Premier Hot Water Pump. The Watts 500,800 is a popular choice in many homes, and ranked Amazon's choice, so it's no mistake that we have it as our best pick. Watts have it that this hot water recirculating pump can save up to 15,000 gallons of water per year, and ultimately save up to 10% of your water bill. The pump itself costs only 5 cents a day to run. This device is a doddle to install, and you can complete the task in under an hour. Installation instructions are pretty straightforward with text combined with pictures for a clear picture of what you are supposed to do. You can save up some bucks by not hiring a professional to do the job for you. Better still, there is no need for any additional piping, as the unit easily mounts on the top of a water heater with a 3/4 inch connection. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.